Welcome everyone to this special MCQ series on UGC NET English Literature. This series is designed strictly according to the official UGC syllabus, with high-level, PYQ-based, and concept-trap questions that help you think like a NET examiner. Here, we don't just revise literature, we decode it, challenge it, and master it. First question. On which date was Nissim Ezekiel born? A. 16 दिसंबर 1924, B. 9 जनवरी 1924, C. 16 दिसंबर 1930, D. 9 जनवरी 1931. The right answer is option A. Nissim Ezekiel was born on the 16th of December 1924 in Bombay, now Mumbai. Next question. Nissim Ezekiel belonged to which Jewish community? A. Bene Israel, B. Baghdadi Jews, C. Kochi Jews, D. Sephardic Jews of Delhi. The right answer is option A. Ezekiel was born into the Bene Israeli Jewish community of Bombay. Next question. At which college did Ezekiel complete his undergraduate education? A. Elphinstone College, B. Wilson College, C. Hindu College, D. Presidency College. The right answer is option B. Ezekiel studied at Wilson College in Bombay and received his degree in literature from the University of Bombay. Next question. Which subject did Ezekiel study at Birkbeck College in London? A. History, B. Philosophy, C. Economics, D. Linguistics. The right answer is option B. Ezekiel went to England and studied philosophy at Birkbeck College, London. Next question. Which of the following was Nissim Ezekiel's first major poetry collection? A. The Exact Name, B. A Time to Change, C. The Unfinished Man, D. Hymns in Darkness. The right answer is option B. A Time to Change was Ezekiel's first major poetry collection and was published in 1952. Next question. Which year is correctly associated with A Time to Change? A. 1950, B. 1952, C. 1955, D. 1958. The right answer is option B. A Time to Change was published in 1952. Next question. Which of the following was published immediately after A Time to Change? A. The Third, B. The Unfinished Man, C. 60 Poems, D. The Exact Name. The right answer is option C. 60 Poems was published in 1953, immediately after A Time to Change of 1952. Next question. Arrange the following poetry collections chronologically. The Exact Name, A Time to Change, The Unfinished Man, 60 Poems, A 2, 4, 3, 1, B 4, 2, 3, 1, C 2, 3, 4, 1, D 1, 3, 4, 2. The right answer is option A. The sequence is A Time to Change, 1952, 60 Poems, 1953, The Unfinished Man, 1960, and The Exact Name, 1965. Next question. Which collection was published in 1960? A. The Third, B. The Unfinished Man, C. The Exact Name, D. Hymns in Darkness. The right answer is option B. The Unfinished Man was published in 1960. Next question. Which collection contains the famous poem Night of the Scorpion? A. A Time to Change, B. The Third, C. The Exact Name, D. Latter-day Psalms. The right answer is option C. Night of the Scorpion appears in The Exact Name, published in 1965. Next question. Which of the following poems is also associated with The Exact Name? A. Enterprise, B. Night of the Scorpion, C. Latter-day Psalms, D. The Egoist's Prayers. The right answer is option B. Night of the Scorpion is one of the important poems in The Exact Name. Next question. In which year was Hymns in Darkness published? A. 1965, B. 1972, C. 1976, D. 1982. The right answer is option C. Hymns in Darkness was published in 1976. Next question. Which work won Nissim Ezekiel the Sahitya Akademi Award? A. The Exact Name, B. Hymns in Darkness, C. Latter-day Psalms, D. Collected Poems 1952-1988. The right answer is option C. Latter-day Psalms won the Sahitya Akademi Award for Poetry in 1983. Next question. In which year did Nissim Ezekiel receive the Sahitya Akademi Award? A. 1976, B. 1982, C. 1983, D. 1988. The right answer is option C. Nissim Ezekiel received the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1983 for Latter-day Psalms. Next question. Which national civilian honor was awarded to Nissim Ezekiel in 1988? A. Padma Vibhushan, B. Padma Bhushan, C. Padma Shri, D. Bharat Ratna. The right answer is option C. Nissim Ezekiel was awarded the Padma Shri in 1988 for his contribution to Indian literature in English. Next question. Which literary journal did Nissim Ezekiel found in 1955? A. Quest. B. Poetry India. C. The Illustrated Weekly of India. D. The Journal of Indian Writing in English. The right answer is option A. Ezekiel founded Quest in 1955, an important intellectual review associated with liberal democratic thought. Next question. Nissim Ezekiel is particularly associated with the development of which literary tradition? A. Indian poetry in English. B. Indian historical fiction in English. C. Indian epic theatre. D. Indian detective fiction. The right answer is option A. Ezekiel is regarded as one of the foundational figures of modern Indian poetry in English. Next question. Which of the following is not a poetry collection by Nissim Ezekiel? A. The Third. B. The Unfinished Man. C. The Exact Name. D. The Guide. The right answer is option D. The Guide is a novel by R.K. Narayan and is not a work by Nissim Ezekiel. Next question. Which sequence correctly represents Ezekiel's major poetry collections from earliest to latest? A. A Time to Change 60 Poems. The Third. The Unfinished Man. The Exact Name. B. 60 Poems. A Time to Change. The Third. The Exact Name. The Unfinished Man. C. A Time to Change. The Unfinished Man. 60 Poems. The Third. The Exact Name. D. The Third. A Time to Change 60 Poems. The Unfinished Man. The Exact Name. The right answer is option A. The correct chronology is A Time to Change, 1952, 60 Poems, 1953, The Third, 1959, The Unfinished Man, 1960, and The Exact Name, 1965.